Wireless charging is not working on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's see how we can easily fix this issue. I will disconnect the connectors and remove the logic board. Now I will place it on the preheating station to separate the two parts. Let me show you under the microscope how to remove the charging IC. I will apply a little paste on both sides and use the hot air gun to apply airflow. Once it becomes loose, I will lift it off with tweezers. Now I will apply a little paste on the chip socket and complete the soldering using a soldering iron. Then I will clean the solder using a soldering iron wick. Now I will apply a little paste, align the new chip, and place it in position. Now I will use the hot air gun to apply airflow and solder it in place. Then I will place it back on the preheating station and join the two parts together. Now I will put the black cover back on the logic board. Then I will install the logic board back into the phone and reconnect all the connectors. Now I will place it on the wireless charger to check if it's charging. Charging issue is completely solved. Thank you.